Hello guys, welcome. Thank you for the purchase and welcome to the Android list building course. Uh, I'm Warrior Faraz. I'm going to explain you what actually Android list building is. So the first thing we have to remember is that we are going to build a list using Android applications which are hot at the moment, and Android market is very hot and you can get massive traffic to your site, build a list and do lot of things. You can just convert this traffic to any type of monetization you like to monetize, or you can just do whatever you like after you build the list. So I'm just taking you to the overview of the method, what we are going to do and how we are going to do. I have prepared this mind map to explain you everything. So let's just move. So the very first step we are going to do is we are going to select a niche. A niche means like what type of application you are going to build, what type of application you have in your mind, what you are going to build. For this I would like you to tell that you better do a research on Android market. You can get some good niches there, what niche you want to work, or whatever you are thinking. Most probably internet marketers go with the make money online. So I have, for an example, I have given almost three niches. The first one is the make money, second one is the weight loss, and the third one is the skincare. So you can select any of the niche. Like if you're make money online, you can uh, go with that. So in the next step, what we actually need is we need two ebooks to give away. The first ebook, what we are going to give to the subscribers when they subscribe to your uh, list using a squeeze page, which I'm going to show you in the coming sessions. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first of all, we need two ebooks to give away. That may be a PLR, that may be your own written books, or you can just use 10 8 to 10 PLR articles and convert it into an ebook. So this way you can get easily 2 to 3 books ready within. If you have having the PLR, it will be easy for you to create this ebooks. So the thing here is the first ebook we are going to offer them through the squeeze page, which will be on our Android application. When they download your application, when they install and when they open your application, the first screen what we are going to show to them will be the opt-in form or your mobile squeeze page. So this way you are going to get the subscribers, and I have been doing this, and I can say that I have been very much successful with this method. So that's why I'm uh, telling you that you can follow this method what I have done. So coming back, we can have two ebooks. The first ebook will be given to the subscribers when they subscribe, and the second ebook is to be integrated into the Android app, which is the most important part. Because if you are not integrating the ebook in your application, then the downloader will think that, oh, it's just a squeeze page and nothing more than that. So they will definitely delete your application. So uh, try to override that, because that has happened to me. I have been using that strategy, and later on I have come to an conclusion that we need to provide value in the application. So that's why it's better to integrate an ebook in the application. I'll show you how to do it, but let's move forward. In the next step will be the creating a mobile squeeze page opt-in. So for this you can use, if you have bought the auto, I'm giving 10 mobile ready high quality squeeze pages in the auto. You can buy it, or you can get it done on Fiverr or anywhere else, or whatever site you like to work, or you can just hire a programmer and you can create a mobile squeeze page, it should be mobile optimized. It is the most important thing. You have to remember that the squeeze page which you are going to add to your application, that should be of high quality and it should be mobile optimized. Or else you can go with the second option, that is you can create a web form using autoresponders like what we have in the market now, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, whatever you are using. You can just create a web form using the autoresponder, and you can then convert the opt-in or the squeeze page to the mobile optimized page. So how you are going to do is like you are going to use the secret tool what I have given in the resources sections. You can check them. It's a tool by mobilemonopoly.com. It's a secret tool which is used to convert opt-in pages to mobile version of the opt-in page. So it is easy, it is flexible, you can use it. So after you get your squeeze page done, the next step is to upload the squeeze page, or you can just get the link from the mobilemonopoly.com secret tool. You will get a shortened link from there, so you can use that link, or you can just upload the HTML files to your HTML files of your squeeze page to your website. So that is the fourth step we have completed. So the fifth step is to convert your second ebook to HTML. So we have converted our squeeze page to HTML. Now we need to convert our ebook to HTML, because we are going to integrate these both things in an Android application. So you need to convert your ebook to HTML. You can use PDF Smasher. I have given a Fairway version of the PDF Masher, and you can, or else you can get this done on Fiverr.com for just $5. Just type in ebook to HTML and you will get a lot of gigs there. Anybody can convert your ebook to an HTML format, or you can use a script by nixonpublishing.com. It's EML is nothing but ebook markup language. You can use that to convert your ebooks into an HTML format, which can be seen in smartphones with a high resolution and easily accessible. That type of links can that type of ebook can be built using EML. So as soon as you convert the ebook to an HTML, the main thing you have to do is you have to upload the converted ebook to your site and copy the URL and save it. So this way we will have two URLs. The first one will be the squeeze page URL, which we have converted to HTML, and the second one will be the ebook URL, which we have converted into HTML. So these two URLs are much needed. After, as soon as you complete this, the sixth step, you are going to create an Android application in the seventh step. So in the seventh step, we are going to create an free Android application using a free site called appsgeezer.com. So just go to that site and register and start creating your application. On the application, you have, the first thing you have to integrate is the squeeze page, and the second thing you have to add is the your ebook. So this can be done by adding a tab to your application, which I have shown in the videos. You can check how to do that. So after doing that, you will be presented with an, after adding your squeeze page and the ebook, your application will be completed, and you will be forwarded to the download page, where you can just copy, yes, you can download the .upk file, and then you can copy the short URL of your download application download link. So you can just copy that and you can add it to your text file, and then you can save it. And that will be required for us to submit our application on free sites. So why we are submitting our application on free sites? Free sites like Android application free sites, those are the free download sites. Lot of mobile visitors visit these sites daily, on daily basis, and they download free applications. So if we are providing our application on freeware sites, like I said you, I have given everything in the resources section of this course. You can just check those sites. You can just register on every site, or you can just outsource the part, and you can give it to your VA or something. Tell them to do in that manner what I have explained in the course. So after that, after your application is submitted to every site what I have given in on the free sites, if you are willing to go for the paid one, you can go, just because it's worth $25 for Google Play Store and $100 for Amazon. Those two are the killer ones. They can increase your download of your applications, and if lot of people are downloading your application, means you will be getting lot of subscribers. They will be more interested in your product what you are offering as the bonus, that they are going to definitely subscribe to your list. So that's it guys, this is everything what I'm showing in the video course. This is a mind map session, so hope you have understand very well. Thank you for purchasing again, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the video course.